Your 2021-2024 Nissan Rogue has a compact spare tire, jack, and wrench for emergencies. To find them, open the rear trunk and lift the cargo floor mat. The spare tire is beneath, bolted in place. The jack and wrench are usually secured nearby in a pouch or holder. These tools are in the same location for all 2021-2024 Rogue models, regardless of trim. Knowing where these tools are located is the first and most important step. Park your Nissan Rogue on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake to ensure safety during the tire change. Using the lug wrench, loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire by turning them counterclockwise. Do not remove them yet. Position the jack under the designated jack points on the frame near the flat tire and raise the vehicle until the flat tire is off the ground. Remove the lug nuts and the flat tire completely. Then mount the spare tire onto the wheel hub. Hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Lower the vehicle using the jack, remove the jack, and fully tighten the lug nuts with the wrench in the star pattern. Remember, the spare tire is temporary. Limit speed to 50 miles per hour and distance to 50 miles. Check and maintain the spare tire's pressure regularly.